What's up, everybody? I'm TJ.
And I'm Ralph.
With Double Tap Fishing. Today we're fishing at Hesperia Lake. Colder weather, we have a storm front coming, but hopefully it gets a little bit better before the storm comes. Good? Dude, where you at, bro? Dude, I can't see. The water is murky.
Hold on, let me get him up there.
Rainbow glitter?
Rainbow glitter. Oh, that's a pretty looking fish. Huh?
It is.
Gee, cricket.
Hold up. Ready?
Yep.
That is a pretty looking fish. Oh, this one hits on the little pole. There you go, Ralph. Ralph with the little tiny pole.
Oh, dude, I think I'm all over your fucking line. Huh?
You're over here. Dude, he hit this little tiny pole. You're on this one. Where are you at? Where is it?
He's running all over God's creation.
Watch.
Oh, no, he tingled me all the fuck up.
Hold on. I missed him. No.
Oh, hold on, let me get him in.
Got him.
Okay.
On this little tiny pole. Oh my gosh.
It cost me, bro. It cost me a couple tangles. Let's toss him over.
Look at this look at this puppy.
Oh,
on this little tiny pole, bro.
Let me see if I can get this. Let me see if I can get this one out.
All right.
Yeah,
On the baby rod.
on the baby rod.
Powerbait?
Yes. Got his ass.
He just casted it and it barely touched the. No, it barely touched the water. He just threw it up there. Oh. Yep, you are in the honey hole, bro. Dude, he just barely put the pole down.
I barely threw it down there. What the heck?
Dude, you barely put the pole down.
I know.
That's crazy. That's nuts. I saw you put the pole down and you're like, are you kidding me? And I looked, I'm like. Now this is freaking funny right here. This is karma. As we're about to pack up, my stuff is packed up. Ralph's starting to pack up and I'm messing with one of his other poles and hitting it. I'm hitting it. So I have him turn around, I'm like, look, your pole's getting hit. He looks at it and his other pole, this jumps on it. I'm like, what the heck? I'm sitting there messing with it and this one hits it.
Double tap fishing.
Oh my gosh, that is great. That's a great day of fishing out here at Hesperia Lakes. Oh my gosh. We can't even pack up to go. As a matter of fact, we may unpack and start fishing some more. We'll see what's going on here.